Meet Student Mode in Chat GPT. It's a new tool designed to help with your learning. With Study Mode, you can get help with your homework. Just upload a picture of your assignment and ask for help. For example, a student asks, "Help me with this problem on my finance homework." ChatGPT recognizes it as a net present value problem and offers to walk the student through it together. It provides the formula for NPV and breaks down the calculation step by step. When the student asks for help with the calculation, ChatGPT guides them through each year presence value, allowing the student to do the math and learn along the way. Study mode also helps with the test prep. You can ask it to quiz me. It will then generate practice questions with multiple choice answers. After you answer it, it will confirm if you are correct and ask you to explain your reasoning to ensure you understand the concept. If you're struggling with a topic, study mode can go deeper. A student asks, "Why does my professor keeps talking about catalysts in chemistry class?" ChatGPT explains why catalysis is a big deal in chemistry, breaking it down into key points like speeding up reactions, its role in reaction design, and its various application. It then asks the student about specific examples for their class to connect the new information with what they already know. When the student mentions a lecture on equilibrium, ChatGPT zeroes it on the key idea. Catalyst affects the rate of reaction, not the position of equilibrium, and then continues to build on that concept. That's ChatGPT, your new partner in learning.